How to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled due to suspicious activity. Let's get started. This means the platform detected unusual behavior on your account. Follow these steps to fix the issue. Firstly, you'll need to understand the cause. Logging in from unrecognized devices, locations, or using third-party apps could trigger this. Repeated failed attempts to log in can flag your account. Suspicious activity might indicate a hacking attempt. So the very first solution is wait it out. These locks usually last for 24 to 48 hours. Avoid multiple login attempts during this period as it might extend the lock. Use this time to review your account security. Next up, you can visit the Snapchat Help portal. Navigate to the website help.snapchat.com. Once you're on this page, scroll down. Click on the option My account was temporarily locked. Click on Contact Support here option. Submit a request. Click on the option I can't access my account. Now select the option My account is locked. Now scroll down and click on this option. Click here to contact our support team. You will be directed to Submit a request page. Now you have to fill out this form. First of all, type in your Snapchat username. Likewise, give a reason why you are unable to access your account. You can select the option I can't log into my account. Then provide all these details: Snapchat username, email address linked with your account, phone number, and in the description you can describe about the issue and send it. Once you send this report, Snapchat support team will get back to you and with that your problem might be resolved. Likewise, next thing you want to do is reset your Snapchat account's password. Reset your password using email or the phone number. After you reset it, enable two-factor authentication. Likewise, ensure your Snapchat app is updated to its latest version. For that, you can launch your Play Store or App Store, search with the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access and secure your Snapchat account effectively. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.